The Olive Tree Bible app is probably my third most used app on my iPad, right after Apple Notes and LumaFusion. I love how simple it feels, whether I'm reading or listening to the Word of God. I can highlight, compare versions, and take notes without friction. Most of the time, I use it on my phone, and everything stays synced across my devices, so I never lose my study trail. At the same time, it still lets certain things stay slightly different on each device, which I genuinely appreciate. Because obviously, when I use it on the iPad, I'm usually doing deeper research than when I'm reading it on my phone. And I love that I can differentiate my workflows on different devices, but keep my notes synced. The note-taking experience is the real standout for me. With a bit more structure in how we can use it now, I find myself reaching for it far more than I used to. It just doesn't help you take notes in the moment. It helps you build a long-term study library that stays intact even as your devices change, which I absolutely love.